Food and Agriculture Organization has recognized 2023 as International Year of Millets to spread awareness about the health and nutritional benefits of millets. The India government has proposed to celebrate 2023 as the International Year of Millets. We all know that millets are very nutritious and grow in very harsh conditions. So, we the students of NANB are here today with a skit written and directed by our classmate Sri.
Hello, I brought medicines. Buy 3, get 1 free.
Can you give me a medicine for diabetes?
Me too. Nowadays, medicines play a vital role in our life.
Hey, what nonsense are you doing? Don't you know how harmful these medicines are?
Yes, we take medicines just because of irregular and unhealthy food habits.
That's why nowadays many chemicals are added in food to preserve them.
Yes, these wheat and rice cultivation are taking more than 70% of water. And do you know the leftover sticks are burned and it causes air pollution.
Let us use this situation to conserve water and save soil's fertility by using millets.
What are they? Can you explain it?
Millets are those plants like jowar, bajra, ragi, which can solve our problems like regaining water and soil fertility. These can grow on high-risky conditions and high-risky climatic conditions.
We can use leftover seeds as manure instead of burning them. Yes, millets keeps us healthy, but nowadays no one uses it. If farmers began to produce it, they will suffer loss.
If you want to be healthy, if you want to save the earth and the farmers who produce millets, so we should eat it.
Yes, let's make India a millet nation.
We will grow and eat millets to save the earth.
To save the earth.
Let us all pledge to make millets a part and parcel of our everyday diet.
Thank you.